Hey friends, if you wish to install updates on your system but you encounter the error 0x80070422, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. And there's only one main resolution which has been accepted by thousands of users on the Microsoft Answers forum. That is to search for services in the Windows search bar, open services, scroll down to the Windows Update service. Okay, right click on it and then select restart, and this will solve. But if it doesn't, then here's what you have to do. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Now I have a script here and I have shared it in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy the entire script, and then paste it here and just see the magic. You'll have to wait for 2 minutes. It will keep on stopping the services, then deleting the cache files, then re-registering the DLLs, resetting the WinSock, then starting the services. It will need 2 minutes. Let it do its job. Okay. And once this is done, reboot your system and the problem will definitely be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.